Hello students. Welcome to today's class. We are going to talk about time. Before we proceed with today's lesson, remember, in our previous class we learnt about the measurement of distance and displacement. We also learnt about the difference between distance and displacement. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand the concept of time. Know the various ways of measuring time. The concept of time in physics is fundamental to understanding motion, change, and the behavior of physical systems. Time is a fundamental concept in physics that measures the duration of events and the intervals between them. It allows us to sequence events, compare durations, and quantify the intervals over which processes occur. Time is important in understanding acceleration, which measures how quickly an object's velocity changes over time. The standard unit of time is second. There are other basic units such as minute, hour, day, and year. Understanding basic time units is essential for telling time, scheduling appointments, and understanding scientific concepts such as velocity and acceleration. By mastering basic time units, you'll be well equipped to tackle more complex concepts in physics, mathematics, and everyday life. A time format is a way to express time in terms of hours, minutes, and seconds. There are several types of time format, but we'll focus on the two most commonly used: the 12-hour clock and the 24-hour clock. The 12-hour clock is the most widely used timekeeping system in everyday life. It divides the day into two 12-hour periods. That is the ante-meridiem, commonly known as AM, which is between 12 o'clock at midnight to 11:59 at noon. We also have the post-meridiem, commonly known as PM, which is between 12 p.m. at noon to 11:59 p.m. at midnight. The 12-hour clock is easier to understand and use in everyday life, especially for casual conversation. Then we have the 24-hour clock, also known as military time. It is a continuous clock system that counts from 12 o'clock at midnight to 23:59 at midnight. It's commonly used in military operations, healthcare and medical fields, computing and programming. It reduces confusion between AM and PM, making it ideal for situations requiring precision and accuracy. Understanding both the 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock is essential for effective communication and time management in various aspects of life. Next, we are going to talk about the various methods used for measuring time. There are various methods used in the measurement of time, such as the traditional methods. This method of measuring time has evolved over the centuries and vary across cultures. Here are some of the notable methods. Sundials. This instrument uses the position of the sun's shadow to indicate the time of day. Water clocks. It measures time by the flow of water from one container to another. Candle clocks. This instrument measures time by marking equally spaced lines on a candle and observing how long it takes for the candle to burn from one line to the next. The mechanical methods. This method of measuring time marked a significant advancement in timekeeping, transitioning from ancient methods to more precise and reliable devices. Here are some key mechanical timekeeping devices. Mechanical clocks. Developed in the late Middle Ages, this clock uses a series of gears and a balance wheel to measure time. Pocket watches. Evolved from spring-driven clocks in the 16th century, they were portable mechanical clocks that can be carried on a chain. The digital methods. This method uses electronic or digital devices and technologies to measure and display time. Here are some digital timekeeping devices. Quartz clocks. This instrument uses a quartz crystal to regulate a digital display. Atomic clocks. It uses the vibrations of atoms to regulate a digital display. Digital watches. This instrument is a portable digital clock that can be worn on the wrist. I have two assignments for you to work on. Number 1. Give 3 importance of time in your everyday life. Number 2. Give 2 advantages and disadvantages of the mechanical method of measuring time. Good job, students. Before we end today's class, let us summarize on what we learned. Today, we discussed the following: the concept of time, the 2 commonly used time format, the various methods used in measuring time. Alright, students. You did a great job today. In our next class, we are going to talk about motion. Thanks and goodbye.